YouTube? It's your boy JD coming at you with another review, and I want to start off this video by saying thank you to all of you who slept on this sneaker that I'm about to review, because if you guys weren't sleeping, I wouldn't be able to cop these. So thank you to you guys. And of course, the sneaker we're talking about today is the Acronym Presto in this cool gray colorway. Also my favorite colorway of this entire pack. This is the updated version of the Acronym Nike Presto collab. The first one was from 2016. This is the 2018 version, and the only major difference being all three of the shoes in this pack now have various types of print on it. Well, how did I cop these? Well, a couple of days ago I just walked into a local sneaker boutique here in Berlin, and this was just sitting there. This was just on the shelf in my size. I didn't think twice, I just went ahead and copped it. These actually keep restocking on several websites, and also the resale price is basically the retail price. So that's actually really surprising to me that the resale is so low, just because if you look at the resale of the original Prestos, those are going for anywhere from $600 to $800 for any of those three colorways. So it's actually crazy that there's barely any resale for these. So about Acronym is basically a high-end techwear brand that's actually based out of right here in Berlin, Germany. And they have collaborated many times with Nike in the past on several sneaker models, most notably being the Air Force One lows. Those sneakers are absolute grail of mine, the Acronym Nike collab on those, the white ones with the orange back. I've said that in a previous video, I absolutely love that sneaker. And also, of course, the original Prestos. And then earlier this year, Acronym did collab with Nike on the Vapor Max. There was 3 separate colorways for that. And now finally we have this Presto collaboration. Now I'll admit, at first when I saw these 3 colorways, I really wasn't feeling this collab at all, especially that pink one, way too loud for me. Wasn't feeling this collab, and when I compare it to the OGs, they really didn't come close in my opinion. And the main reason why is because in pictures I really didn't like that print. However, after getting this in hand, and I also actually saw the pink one at the store a couple days ago, it was sitting on the shelf, and after getting it in hand, I have started to really actually appreciate the print, and I've realized that it is the print that actually makes the shoe, especially this cool gray colorway, because without the print here, this shoe would just look like a Presto high, like a basic Presto high, nothing special. The print really is what makes the shoe. To me, the print kind of looks like little miniature drones all over the sneaker. And I don't know what it's supposed to mean, but I think it looks pretty cool, and it really pops on this black and gray colorway. However, there still are a lot of people who have removed the print from their shoes using acetone. I've seen a bunch of people do this on Instagram. The black one without the print, I'll leave a picture up here. I don't think it looks that great without the print, just because, like I said earlier, it looks kind of basic. However, the pink ones without the print, I think look amazing. Like those, to me, compare with the original 3, probably even better looking than either of the original 3s if you just remove the print from the pink one. So it's up to you guys. There might be some tutorial videos out there on how to do this, but I know that they did this using acetone basically. What I love the most about the sneaker is, of course, this zipper back here. So I don't know if this makes it easier or harder to put these shoes on. Well, you never have to tie your laces again, that's the good thing, but you do have to always pull the zipper down every time you want to get your feet in. So I don't know, is it harder? Is it easier to put these shoes on? I don't know, but I'm not really concerned about that. I just really like the way it looks, especially if you kind of just leave the zipper a little like halfway down. I think that looks really tough. Prestos are super comfortable, so I do love that part about the sneaker. And this heel area, especially after you zip it up, your feet just feel super secure, and it's just a smooth ride. So when it comes to comfort, no complaints whatsoever. A very comfortable shoe. So when it comes to sizing, as most of you know already, Prestos only come in full sizes. So if your true size is a half size, like for example, if it's a 10.5, I would go with a size 10. So just go down half a size, because there is a lot of room here in this toe area, so you can easily go down half a size. However, if your true size is a full size, like a 10 or 11, I would just stick with that. Do not go down a full size, because it would just be way too tight, especially the width. So that's pretty much my review. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know, what was your favorite colorway of this pack? How do you guys think these compared with the original? Leave a comment down below, let me know. Also drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe for more content. Thank you to all of you for subscribing. I finally had 1,000 subscribers, so that's awesome. So thank you for watching. On Feet coming right now. Peace.